In this breathtaking landscape, the Steel MS 661CM roars to life with its 6.7 horsepower engine, effortlessly slicing through timber like a hot knife through butter. Watch as each colossal tree succumbs to its razor-sharp blade, leaving a trail of timber behind. Each cut is executed with such finesse, a testament to engineering excellence and human skill. If I were to try this, I'd be nervous, but watching it is just so thrilling. Isn't it amazing how technology helps us work in nature? Wow, those timber trucks zooming down the roads of New Zealand are a sight to behold. Sleek and stunning, they command attention as they navigate the landscape. Can you believe how vast that pine forest is from up above? The sheer scale of those towering trees is breathtaking. It's like a green ocean, where a shitter truck pulls timber through the trees towards a staging area. The truck stands ready, resembling a colossal arm, gracefully lifting each massive log onto its bed, transporting them to a distant factory. These machines are the lifeblood of a vibrant logging industry, pulsating with energy and purpose. This is my first time seeing snow clearing up close. Standing there, I'm mesmerized by the sheer beauty of the freshly cleared snowy path. It's like a winter wonderland, with every flake glistening in the sunlight. But don't let the beauty fool you. Clearing this thick, wet snow is no picnic. It demands laser-sharp focus and quick reflexes to keep the road open for the lumber operations ahead. Who wouldn't want to dive into those fluffy mounds? I'm definitely coming back for more snow adventures. Meet the Easton-made Ultra Wood Splitter, where innovation meets functionality, with saw blades that measure between 18 and 25 inches. Renowned for its cutting-edge design and optimal features, this machine revolutionizes the lumber processing industry. There's something so satisfying about seeing those beautiful logs split with ease. Wow, can you believe it? The eucalyptus tree was turned into nothing but bits in just minutes. It's like watching a monster devour its crunchy lunch. But hey, imagine how much time that beast saves for the workers. Isn't that mind-blowing? The operation of road trains hauling massive logs is an impressive feat of logistics and engineering. As they navigate sharp bends enveloped in clouds of dust, the scene feels akin to a Hollywood blockbuster. This truck means business. Every log gets lifted and loaded quickly and efficiently. No wasted motion, just pure strength and focus. You can see the power in every move, from grabbing the logs to setting them in place. It's tough work made to look easy. Ever seen a truck that carries tons of timber like it's carrying feathers? Meet the R730 V8. With a 16.4-liter V8 engine cranking out 730 horsepower, this machine is as powerful as it is smooth. What a refreshing sight to see a train loaded with wood. The cargo hold, several meters long, is an impressive showcase of nature's bounty. It's my first time witnessing this, and it leaves me eager for more adventures in the world of timber transport. In the heart of a majestic forest, the colossal tree stands tall. The saw roars to life, its teeth biting into the ancient bark. Each cut sends vibrations through the earth. The moment of truth arrives as the tree begins to sway, the air thick with anticipation. Suddenly, with a thunderous crash, it falls, an echo of nature's raw force. The timber truck glides gracefully along the asphalt, a true masterpiece on wheels. It's not just a vehicle, it's the driver's beloved companion on the road. Introducing the IB 1000 wood trailer, your ally in extracting logs from vast woodlands. This state-of-the-art equipment makes the process smoother and quicker than ever. Oh my goodness, pulling logs looks like a breeze. Seriously, he's making it sound like a fun day at the lake fishing. This guy must be a pro after years of doing this, right? It's clear that this isn't just a job, but a true passion. You can feel the bond he has with his equipment, like they're old friends working together. This is an impressive showcase. A competition of modern tractors unfolds, their robust power akin to that of horses surmounting the muddy obstacles to reach the finish line.